I'm going to be learning how to do a layup in basketball. My first attempt was from memory. I attempted what I thought was close to a layup, but realised I needed guidance to enhance my motivation and my skill as well as my learning. I decided to start this off by looking up how-tos on YouTube and the internet. I was able to make meaning of what I was viewing using my internal mental processes. These are things such as insight and information processing, to perceive and hopefully memorise what I see to enhance my skill. This is a reflection of Piaget's cognitive orientation to learning theory. In my second attempt, I see a vast improvement in my ability to perform a layup. I was able to utilise memory of what I had seen and modify my thinking in the environment, but I was still unable to score a goal and still not confident I was doing the whole process correctly. I decided, as it is known as an extension of cognitive learning, to use Albert Bandura's social learning theory, also known as the social situational orientation to learning. It suggests that people can learn by observing the behaviours of others. With the help of Michael, I was able to observe the steps on how to do a layup to hopefully enhance my skills. With an improvement in my approach, I understood the steps involved in a correct layup, however, still not resulting in a goal. As Bandura says, one may observe and learn but not necessarily imitate the behaviours observed. In seeking a peer to help me, I was exercising Vygotsky's theory of cognitive development, also known as the sociocultural theory. This is a view that learning and development is not just a process of increased mental complexity, but it is also mediated through social and cultural interactions. As I want to be able to complete a layup without help, I first need to have a peer scaffold me, meaning to give me support, to be able to accomplish the task independently. By having Dave's support, this interaction will help bridge the gaps between the level I can do a layup without his help and the level I can achieve it with his help. I was able to successfully approach the ring and score a goal. With a combination of B.F. Skinner's belief in the behaviourist theory, that learning occurred when some kind of event or condition triggered an action or response, and those actions that were rewarded in some manner were likely to be repeated or learnt. This was the case when Dave first showed me a layup. I then followed, and my successful attempt was rewarded with a high five. I was able to repeat the process successfully. In my last attempt, I was able to approach and score a goal in correct layup format. I achieved this by implementing multiple learning theories in my learning journey.